We're back. Homemade wheelie bar still holding up. Had to let it cool off. Had summer gearing, I got winter gearing in it. Still got to 120 degrees that fast. Hope I got that on camera. Saw the wheelie bar do its job. It let me wheelie. But didn't slam the car back down too hard. It was controllable. Definitely need to turn my brakes up a little bit. So I was doing speed runs with it, so I only got my brakes like 50% maybe. A 3S LiPo. I wanted to do a 4S fast action, man, but I wouldn't have made it a couple of minutes with this gearing. Couple more minutes, I'm gonna shut it down, guys. Hope I got that on camera. It's another good wheelie. This was not a kit build. This slash started off as brushed, just 4x4 model. Converted it to brushless. X01 internal diff gears. Upgraded all the electronics. 120 amp ESC 3800 kV motor. And I've got the e-Revo slipper clutch. So really it can handle 6S. I've only run it on 5S though. Oh, I got that on camera. Alright, shut it down before I go into thermal shutdown. Wanted to show you this homemade wheelie bar working, guys. Like I said, just use some stripped spur gears. Still has the bearings in them. It's adjustable, so when I put street tires, like the GRP 17mm hex for drag racing, I just adjust the wheelie bar. Take the shell off, and bam, you're good to go. Just want to give you guys some options, man. You know, I know parts are expensive as hell sometimes. All it takes is a little engineering, fabrication skills. You'd be surprised what you can make. Thanks for watching. Instagram, YouTube, make sure you subscribe for more wrenching, speed runs, racing, bashing, you name it, we got it. D-Rock out.